Curtains fold with a click. Coffee brews all day. A warm bathtub waiting. A spotless room. Pure luxury. Until checkout. When they hand you that bill, you look at it and it scares you. Now imagine that bill isn't yours. Your company or client pays it because you are the expert they trust, the one they send to lead, train, and inspire.
But how do you get to that level? Not by chasing views on YouTube or asking AI to create a quick book for you that adds no value to your readers, but by creating a book that matters. A book that is authentic, true mark of authority, that has wisdom from your experiences, insights from your research, your own thoughts. Join me, Dr. Pooja Dubey, on 10th November in my live webinar on how to write a high-impact book with AI. Learn to create a real, powerful book that builds your personal brand. In this webinar, you will get a hands-on experience of creating a book with AI. We will also introduce you to some of our coaching programs at the end. But there is no gimmick, no push, no selling, only learning. So register now using the link given in the description and join me in the webinar. Let us create your story together.